morning. Welcome to Parks Pursuit. Today I'm in Red Rock Canyon, open area. I had originally intended to visit Garden of the Gods, but it was packed, as I kind of feared it would be. So I looked up nearby parks and found this one. There's a hawk up here on this rock. I have my zoom camera there recording. I'm hoping maybe he'll fly off looking for prey, but I don't think he's gonna do that. I think he's just sitting there making a lot of racket. So I hope you enjoyed my hike around the Red Rock open area. If you enjoyed my video, hit the like button and think about subscribing to my channel, Parks Pursuit. I'll see you next time. Thank you.